literally go anywhere for an op shop. I'm in South Carolina just to find this little ripper. Look at it. There's another pineapple. That is a live oak and it keeps its leaves all year. But look at the Spanish moss on it. That is like itchy and scratchy Chigaville, that is. We're at the annual Jack Lyon croquet off. It's between Humphrey and Godfrey and it could really go either way. But I think my money's on Godfrey. We are in Anaruby Falls. We're in Anaruby Falls in the North Georgia mountains and it's absolutely beautiful. We've come all this way to my favourite shop and it's Tuesday and it's only open by chance.